Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Camry XSE V6. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a head-turning ruby flare pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine. And included in your XSE V6 package is your 360-degree bird's eye view camera, your Qi wireless charging station, and your paddle shifters. Helping you into your Camry is your handy smart key system. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there with that chrome detailing. What we're going to do now is we're going to lock up those doors, and by simply running your hand across the handle, it'll unlock for you. So you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. Right away, you're greeted by a very sleek interior. You have your illuminated entry on the side, as well as your contrasting stitching with leather trim. You also do have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. Over here, you have your upgraded 360-degree bird's eye view camera, as well as your fully automatic high beams, your traction control, your trunk release, and your gas door. Your Camry comes fitted with a full set of all-weather floor mats, and you also have your power adjustable driver seat. Your passenger side is also power adjustable, so everyone can drive away in the ultimate comfort. And check out the detail put into your seats with that contrasting stitching and sporty style. Really has been reimagined. And check out all of that light coming in from your power tilt and slide panoramic moonroof, which really does change the driving experience for everybody in your Camry. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Camry with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake there and you hit that push start button. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool ambient lighting, plus you get that nice welcome screen. Check it out. Display here with that multi-information. You can control with your steering wheel mounted control. A big part of your multi-information display is your Toyota Safety Sense status for things like your pre-collision system, your parking assist, and you can set the sensitivity of those sensors, turn on and off the alerts. Over here you have your leather wrapped steering wheel, as well as your other steering wheel mounted control like your hands-free calling, your volume control, and voice command. On the side here you have your cruise control, and you also have that manual control for your lane departure alert with steering assist and your dynamic radar cruise control. With your XSE upgrade, you do have your paddle shifters for that authentic driving experience. Comes with the Intune 3.0 series of apps, which you can sync with your phone. And it includes things like your GPS and your radio. You also do have your audio system with your AM/FM radio, as well as Sirius XM radio. You have your CD player on top with your JBL stereo system. And with that Bluetooth audio, you can bring your music wherever you go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to shift into reverse. And as you can see, you have your parking sensors, as well as your 360-degree bird's eye view. Plus you have that backup camera as well. Now shifting into drive, you can see that you also have that front camera, which is a great feature to keep you and everything that's important to you nice and safe. You can also manually turn on that bird's eye view, which it will do a full 360-degree walk around of your Camry before you drive out of your spot. These are features that you definitely need to come in as well and check out and see it for yourself. Below here, a nice convenience feature to have is your dual zone climate control, which you can set a different temperature for your driver and your passenger side. It is equipped with that electronic automatic climate control. You can sync it, and you also do have your air conditioning for those hot summer months. A nice technology feature to have in your Camry is your Qi wireless charging station. So you simply turn the power on and off from here, And once you see that green light turn on, you simply put your phone on there and it will charge for you. Over here you do have your 12-volt DC charger and your USB auxiliary input, which you can store all of your cords from underneath that little compartment there. Here you can see you have that leather trim on your shift knob, as well as your different drive modes like your eco mode, normal, and sport mode. You have your brake assist, your brake hold, which when you're starting up on a hill, you'll make sure to hold that brake before you can get started. You have that modern parking brake, as well as your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger. Following that motif of that contrasting stitching, you also do have that leather trim right on your center console. Inside you have your USB charging station, as well as your soft mat inside. Plenty of space to store everything that you need. Adding those final touches to your Camry, check out those curves that match your exterior features. You also do have your glove box with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Camry. Plus there's that lock so that you can keep everything nice and safe. Plenty of convenience and functional features built right into your vehicle. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Camry. To open up that trunk, simply press that release button on your fob and it'll open up for you there. It's a wonderful feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Camry. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items in the back. Underneath your cover here, you have all the tools and your jack, as well as underneath your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You also do have your cargo lamp, and as well as these hooks there so you can install your cargo net as part of your Camry's accessories. You have that emergency release from inside. Closing it up now. Below you can see you have your backup camera. You also do have your parking sensors as part of your park assist. And check this out, you have 4 chrome tipped exhausts to tie all of that cool style together at the back of your XSE. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Camry XSE V6. Built right into your Toyota Camry is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to ensure you are driving nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.